Ever wished you could hand off some banking tasks to your team without giving them the keys to the entire vault? What if you could empower your employees to manage specific financial operations within your business, all while maintaining complete control and oversight? For many small to medium-sized businesses, the dream of granular control over their finances while delegating responsibilities has remained just that, a dream. Traditional banks often offer a blunt instrument when it comes to user access, either full access or no access. This creates a bottleneck, as business owners become the sole point of contact for every transaction, every payment, every inquiry. It's inefficient, it's time-consuming, and frankly, it's a productivity killer. Imagine Sarah, the owner of a bustling e-commerce store. She spends hours each week manually paying invoices, reconciling expenses, and generating reports. Her operations manager, David, is perfectly capable of handling vendor payments, but Sarah is wary of giving him full access to the business bank account. She worries about accidental errors, or worse, unauthorized transactions. Similarly, her bookkeeper, Emily, needs access to transaction history for reconciliation, but she certainly doesn't need the ability to initiate transfers. This common scenario highlights a significant pain point for growing businesses: the lack of flexible, secure user permissions within their banking platform. This isn't just about convenience, it's about security and scalability. As your business grows, so does the complexity of your financial operations. You hire more people, you onboard more vendors, and the volume of transactions increases exponentially. Without a robust system for managing user permissions, you either risk overwhelming yourself with administrative tasks or exposing your business to unnecessary financial risk. The good news is, there's a solution, and it's one that's specifically designed for modern businesses. Today, we're diving deep into a game changer for businesses using Relay Bank, its incredibly powerful user permissions feature. If you're a business owner looking to streamline your financial operations, delegate tasks efficiently, and maintain ironclad security, then you're in the right place. We're not just going to talk about why you need this, we're going to walk you through how to get it, step by step, ensuring you can implement these powerful controls in your own business immediately. So, let's break down the Relay Bank user permissions feature and understand its core benefits. At its heart, this feature allows you to create different levels of access for various team members, tailoring their permissions precisely to their roles and responsibilities. No more all-or-nothing access. This means you can empower your team without relinquishing control. Think about it. Your marketing manager might need to see campaign spending but shouldn't be able to pay bills. Your head of operations might need to approve vendor payments up to a certain limit, while your accounting team needs view-only access to transaction data. Relay Bank's user permissions make all of this possible and incredibly easy to set up. The key benefits here are threefold: enhanced security, increased efficiency, and improved accountability. Firstly, enhanced security. By limiting access to only what's necessary, you significantly reduce the risk of internal fraud or accidental errors. If an employee only has access to view transactions, they can't initiate them. If they can only approve payments up to a certain amount, larger transactions remain under your direct control. This layered security approach is crucial for protecting your business's financial assets. Secondly, increased efficiency. Imagine the time you'll save by delegating tasks. Instead of being the bottleneck for every single financial action, you can empower your team to handle routine operations. Your operations manager can pay bills directly, your bookkeeper can pull reports without interrupting you, and your sales team can track their commission payouts. This frees up your valuable time to focus on strategic growth initiatives rather than administrative minutiae. Thirdly, improved accountability. When each team member has specific permissions, their responsibilities become clearer. You can easily track who performed which action, fostering a culture of transparency and accountability within your financial operations. If a payment is made, you know exactly who authorized it. If a report is pulled, you know who accessed the data. This level of oversight is invaluable for managing your business effectively. Now that we understand the immense value of this feature, let's get into the practical steps of how to actually get Relay Bank's user permissions set up for your business. The process is remarkably intuitive, designed for business owners who are already busy running their companies. You don't need to be a tech wizard to navigate this. Step 1. Log into your Relay bank account. This might sound obvious, but it's the crucial starting point. Head over to the Relay Bank website and log in using your primary business account credentials. Make sure you're logging in as the account owner or an administrator with the necessary permissions to manage users. If you're not the primary account holder, you'll need to reach out to them to initiate this process. Step 2. Navigate to the Team or Users section. Once you're logged in, look for a section in your Relay Bank dashboard typically labeled Team, Users, Settings, and Permissions, or similar. The exact phrasing might vary slightly depending on any recent UI updates from Relay, but it will generally be found in the main navigation menu or under a Settings gear icon. This is where you'll manage all your team members and their associated permissions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.